Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Analytics with WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Google Analytics with WordPress, start by creating a Google Analytics account. Visit the Google Analytics website and click on Start for free. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, click on Admin at the bottom left of the page. In the Account column, click on Create Account. Follow the prompts to enter your account name and data sharing preferences. Next, move to the Property column and click Create Property. Input your website name, industry category, and reporting time zone. Select either web or apps depending on your needs, then click Next. Provide additional information about your website, then click Create. After creating the property, you will receive a tracking ID and tracking code. Copy the tracking ID starting with UA- for later use. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. Install a Google Analytics plugin if you haven't done so yet. Popular options include Monster Insights and Sitekit by Google. To install a plugin, navigate to Plugins and select Add New. Search for your chosen plugin, then click Install Now. After installation, click Activate to enable the plugin. Now, access the plugin settings page. For Monster Insights, click on Insights in the dashboard menu. Follow the setup wizard to connect your Google Analytics account. You will be prompted to authenticate your Google account, allowing the plugin to access your analytics data. Choose the property you created in Google Analytics to link it to your WordPress site. Once connected, adjust any settings according to your tracking preferences. If using Sitekit, click on Sitekit in the dashboard menu. Follow the prompts to set up and connect your Google Analytics account. After configuration, check that the tracking code has been added to your site. You can verify this by viewing the source code of your website. Look for the Google Analytics tracking code to ensure it's present. Lastly, return to your Google Analytics dashboard. Monitor the real-time data to confirm that tracking is functioning properly. With these steps completed, your WordPress site is now configured to track analytics data effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.